The source of life is like a well that is never used up and continually replenishing itself. It offers infinite possibilities. Although not seen, life's energy is always present, and it is older than any story we have about it. Beginners on the path are sharp and exacting. Wise ones know how to temper their words and opinions. With patience, they gently untangle what appears to be a problem. Wise leaders create unity when all are acknowledged for their contribution to the whole. Without selfish motives for personal gain, the continual flow of creativity will unfold naturally. Notice how the way of life acts impartially in nature. Just as nature is impartial, the sage's intentions are neutral. Wise ones respond to each incident and person in an equal manner. Although others might judge their actions as impersonal and thus unkind, the sage understands that people are just seeing their own interpretation about what is happening. When empty of the need for approval, a wise one's energy is not drained. Too much talk can be exhausting. It is often better to remain centered. Lao Tzu wrote, "Between heaven and earth, the space is like a bellows. The form of a bellows is the same, but the space inside it changes. The wider you open the bellows, the more it can receive and give out. In the same manner, when the space is wide within us, more can be received and flow out of us."